Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahi, and the other day I was going through my eyeshadow palettes and I found this one from Sephora. It's really big, as you can see. It looks like a book. Let me show you guys. It has like, I don't know how many colors are here, but I mean it has from white to purple to blue to green to yellow and gold and silver and everything you want to do to I don't know, maybe to do like 200 makeup looks or something like that. And yeah, I thought today I'll do a makeup tutorial and show you guys how I do my kind of everyday glam glitter-ish look, maybe. Of course I don't do it every day, I don't have the time for it, but I don't know, maybe if I wake up like 10 minutes earlier before I go to work or something like that, I will do maybe something glittery or yeah, whatever. So first I wanna prep my lips, and also as you can see I'm in another room of my house. I don't know, I just wanted to change a bit, and I don't know if you can see here, but it's snowing right now outside. Yeah, so well, for my lips, just to make them smoother and prepare them for the lipstick later, I used this lip balm from the Body Shop. It smells like strawberries. And now I will prime my face. I'm going to be using this primer from Benefit. And then for the eyes, I always like to use an eye cream and not primer or anything like that, because my under eye area, it's really dry. Doesn't matter if it's winter, summer or whatever, it will be always dry. And I'm gonna be using this eye cream. It is from Nutraskin. I've got it yesterday with a bunch of other products, and I wanted to see how it will behave with concealer on it. So I think this is a good opportunity now to test it. And I will use just a really small amount and tap it into the skin. So now for the next step, I will be going in with some foundation. As always, I will be using this one from Estee Lauder, the Double Wear, and I will be shaking it a bit because it's a fluid one, and I will put a bit of a product here in the back of my hand, just a tiny little bit, and with this brush I'm gonna be applying it on my face. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using this one from Kat Von D. Now the next step will be some powder. Going to be using this one from Givenchy. It's really nice, and with a bit of a fluffy brush I'm going to be applying it all over my face. So for the next step, I will be using some bronzer, and I will take this one from Lancome. It's really nice. It has a little brush here, and here you can push this button and the product will come out. And what I like always to do after I use, well, not only this bronzer but almost any bronzer, is to take a really big fluffy brush and then blend everything in, because I don't like the harsh lines. With that, I will be taking the excess of my face. Yeah, so the next thing, I will be doing my eyebrows, and as always I'm going to be taking this Anastasia brow kit. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. Now I will take this eyeshadow palette from Sephora. It's really big, and I will be taking this fluffy brush, and I will use as a base actually this one that says base on it, and I will be applying it all over my eyelid and the crease. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? So now again with the same brush, I'm gonna be applying on my crease this color here. Now with this flat brush, I'm gonna be using this color here. It's a little bit darker from what I've used for the crease, and dab it on the outer corner of my eyes. And now again with a fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending that in. So, and now I'm going to be taking this flat brush with this color here. It's a little bit of an orangey maybe. Now next step will be this really angled brush, and I'm gonna be taking this the second color that I use on the outer corner of my lid. I'm gonna be doing like a cat eye. now with the same fluffy brush, I'm gonna be taking this gray kind of brown color, and I'm gonna be applying it on the lower lash line. And the next step will be take a really small brush like this one, and I want to take this color right here, like I don't know, maybe like a gold peachy color. I'm going to be putting right on the inner corner of my eye. And now for the mascara, I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal. It's the false lash extensions. Now I want to use some blush. I just have this small version of it. I bought it just like to test it out, and it's a really beautiful pink color. And I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be applying it on the apples of my cheek. Now for highlighter, I will take this one from Lancome. It launched, I think, maybe like 3 years ago, or something like that. And I will be applying it with a fan brush. And now the almost last step, well, not done yet, is this lipstick from Decay in the color Juicy. It looks like that. And I'm going to be setting everything together with this Decay setting spray. Yeah, and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's a really fast and easy everyday glam look. And as always, if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel to get notified every time I post something new. And yeah, I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.